It's a 2015 Hyundai Tucson. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for all who ride inside. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Automobile reports that Tucson is quite nimble when you want to hustle through a few turns. Steering response is very good for a crossover, and the electric assist feels natural. Even the dampers, a traditional difficulty for the Korean manufacturers to get right, are well tuned. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
DeMontrond, home of the warranty forever. True peace of mind forever. Conveniently located just south of Houston at 3220 Gulf Freeway on 45 toward Galveston.